Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all Messenger messages at once, right? So basically, let's go into the Messenger mobile application here. And after that, you can see that if I'm talking to this person, so if I want to delete all the messages, so I have to just click and hold, and after that, I have to click on the more, and after that, I have to click on the remove and just remove for everybody, and I can just also click on the unsend, and this will unsend my messages. But how I can delete all the messages together? So there is a no way where I can just delete all the messages. I cannot select more than one, even though if I just click on the top right side corner, you can see there is a no option just to delete, right? So basically we have to do only one thing. You have to just click and hold, and after that you have to click on the delete, and after that all the messages will be deleted. But even though if you want to just delete inside the messages, right, you cannot do. So basically you have to do one more thing. You have to just go to the Play Store and you have to download a third party mobile application. But I will not advise you to use a third party mobile application, because this will leak your privacy, this will leak your ID and password, and that's a not good thing. But anyway, if you want to know it, then you can just click on delete messenger chat. Okay, and after that you have to search it, and here you can see a lot of third-party application. Here will be, you can see view deleted messenger or, and there is a many more that you can see delete messages on Messenger. So you can just download it, and here it will help you to delete all the messages. But these are all third-party apps, and basically this will leak your privacy. So this is it guys. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.